How you can fix Final Fantasy DirectX 12 error. So the first step that you need to do is to simply press Windows plus R button on your keyboard and type this DXDIAG and click OK. Once you enter this command prompt, this is going to open up this new window where you can see DirectX 12. So you need to make sure that your PC has DirectX 12. If it doesn't have, you will not be able to play the game. Do not have DirectX 12, you can simply make sure to update your window, and then you just need to check again whether it has updated to DirectX 12 or not, or you can also download DirectX 12 from the Microsoft official store. Now the next step is you just need to search for device manager, and then you just need to click on display adapters, right click on your graphics card and make sure to download the latest drivers for your graphics card as well. So these are the two potential fixes by which you can fix this DirectX 12 error.